Chris, morning. It is Ian from MIW. As I suggested, I was going to put together a short video for you to look at the units, the Endura Outdoors from the Halsey Taylor brand. So what I wanted to show you was, I've got 3 units in here just to have a quick look at for you, and hopefully explaining the similarities and the differences, and to give you a bit of a feel for the units themselves. So firstly, I just want to come and have a closer look at this, which is the 4-4-10 unit. So what you've got is the ground anchor point, which I want to show you first. So as far as the bottom of the units, it's all identical. There are 6 bolt holes for fixing to a concrete slab, and that's identical across the entire range. So whichever model you're choosing, it will have the same 6 fixings at the same 6 drill places, and the base unit and the diameter, the construction is all identical across the entire range. So that's the one thing that's similar across the whole thing. So this particular model is the DDA version. So you can see it's accessible for wheelchair heights, and this top section here is the bottle filling section. So once again, that is common across the entire brand, identically in that top section, and then the differences being you either have one of these, 2 of these, one position centrally, one position to the left or the right, or the option to have an arm coming off with a fountain on it as well. So that's a little bit about the unit. The 2 others that I've set up for us here, this one is the single column version that you looked at University of West of England in Bristol. So you've got the single column, you've got the same diameter, same fixings, and all we would do is to then put the top bottle filling section into that top part there. So as you saw when you were in Bristol there, you've got the vandal resistant push button tap there, which then feeds the water. If you follow me around, Debbie, my able assistant with the camera, you'll see that this is how the top section looks. And as you can see, it's pretty heavy. And what you would do is obviously that then sits in place. I'm not going to do it, but it just sits in place on top there, and then is securely screwed to it. Now that will be the same for this particular model here as well. So what I've got here is a 4420 with 2 bottle filling stations at different heights. So what you've got is that one goes there, and then the other one in the box would go just there. So obviously from a construction point of view, they're absolutely rock solid, very, very durable, fully vandal resistant, and good pieces of kit. Hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the units themselves. Obviously the variances are all on the website to have a look at, and if you have any questions and anything else from the team down there, then please give me a shout. Thanks a lot.